What's the meaning of cotton gin? Cotton gin. Cotton gin.
Cotton gin. Cotton gin. The cotton gin is a machine designed to remove seeds from cotton fibers. It was invented by Eli Whitney in 1793 and revolutionized the cotton industry, allowing for faster and more efficient processing of cotton. Prior to the invention of the cotton gin, cotton seeds had to be removed by hand, which was a time-consuming and labor-intensive process. With the cotton gin, cotton production became much easier and profitable, leading to an expansion of cotton production and ultimately contributing to the growth of slavery in the American South.